Oh, hi there. My name is Jim Heidema. I was just reviewing my schedule of all the people that I'm coaching around the world. Currently, there's well over 40 people that I spend time with every couple of weeks and help them develop their business. You know, I have a unique experience, a unique set of skills, and I don't think there's many people in the world that possess exactly my level of expertise. And I'm not implying that there aren't people skilled in this profession. It's just that I've trained in excess of 175,000 people. Yeah, that's right. 175,000 people in 55% of the world. I've been in the business over 37 years. I've been a financial advisor. I've been a financial manager. I've been responsible for training and development with the largest insurance company in Canada. I have traveled extensively, written 7 books in 11 languages. So I've picked up the best practices. And for people that I'm coaching, people that I'm training, it's paid off. You know, there's a guy that I've coached in Lithuania. I started with over 6 years ago. He was earning a modest income then. And now I think he's very close to €750,000 he's earning on an annual basis. That didn't happen by accident. And of course, he did the heavy lifting. He's the guy that went out there and did the work. But hopefully, I was the guy that guided him, allowed him to overcome some adversity, allowed him to recognize when there was areas within his life that he needed to develop skills. And so this is what I do. I share my best practices. Because I've worked around the world, because I've met so many people who do extremely well in their business, I've been able to help them reach their potential. And I've also learned from a lot of people that I didn't work directly with, but I ran across them in my life. And those people, they really stepped up. They did the heavy lifting. They did the hard work, but I guided them, and I'm proud of that. If you think I can help you, then I may be the guy that can. I'm there to support people. I'm there to encourage people. I'm there to guide and mentor people. And when they don't do what I think they should do to be successful, I kick them in the ass. In the ass. Most people that I work with, the people that I coach, they double their income every year that they work with me. They grow and develop, they pick up the best practices, they overcome obstacles, and they become true to themselves and reach their capacity. So if you think I can help you, reach out to me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to remind yourself when I've posted something, and hit the like button. And if you'd like to share a comment, please do so. I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to working with you. If you think I can help, reach out to me.